Hello guys, my name is Tushime. I'm CEO or founder of Yego Talent Rwanda. So we have to organize some event called the NSHYA Award. So we have more categories, modern dance, traditional dance, fashion, stand-up comedy, theater. So I'm here to invite you, to announce you, to remember you. Don't miss out. Please join us. So we'll join on 31 December 2024. Location is Maison de Jeune Kabuga. Please follow our social medias on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, all social media. So we have to screening live film called My Body Life in part 1. So please don't miss out to come.